Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about new energy solutions and genomics. We are group number 4 and I am Jefferson Cannon along with my groupmates Reynald Luisia and Kurt Kevin Pugal. New energy solutions in general refer to the innovative technologies, methods, and practices that aims to generate, store, and distribute energy in more sustainable, efficient, and environmentally friendly ways. Here is Kurt Kevin Pugal to discuss more about new energy solutions.
New energy solutions. Renewable energy is generated from natural resources, the sun, wind, and water, both renewable and sustainable. Solar power. Solar panel converts sunlight into electrical energy using many solar cells made from semiconductor materials, typical silicon. Next is wind energy. Wind energy generates electricity by converting wind's kinetic energy into mechanical power using wind turbines, which is then transformed into electrical energy. Next is hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen fuel cells generate electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen, producing water and heat. Next is advanced battery technologies. Advanced battery technologies involve innovative developments in battery design and materials to improve energy storage capacity, efficiency, lifespan, and safety. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is heat source from the Earth's internal heat, offering a renewable energy option for electricity generation, heating, and cooling. Next is hydropower. Hydropower or hydroelectric power generates electricity by capturing the energy of flowing or falling water. Next is bioenergy. Bioenergy is renewable energy sourced from biological materials like biomass and organic matter. And the last one, nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a process where atomic nuclei combine to form heavier nuclear, releasing immense energy similar to the sun's power.
Now, what is genomics? Genomics is the branch of molecular biology concerned with the structure, function, evolution, and mapping of genomes. Now, what is genomes? Genomes is the complete set of genetic information in an organism. And genes is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity, defined by medlineplus.gov. And heredity is the sum of all biological processes by which particular characteristics are transmitted from parents to their offspring. Genomics in the field of IT refers to the analysis of large amounts of genomic data using computational tools and technologies, paving the way for advances in genetic engineering, bioinformatics, and personalized medicine. And here is Reynald Luisia to further discuss about genomics.
Gene. Gene is a region of the genome that used as a functional unit of an organism. Next is genomic feature. Genomic feature is a generic and general term to describe any genomic region with some annotated function, etc. like a gene, CDS, mRNA, rRNA, tRNA, repeat sequence, inverted repeat, miRNA, sirNA, and origin of replication. Okay. CDS stands for coding sequence and is the term used to describe a genomic feature that codes for a protein. Next is mRNA, or stands of messenger ribonucleic acid. It's a single-stranded molecule of RNA that corresponds to the genetic sequence of a gene. Next is rRNA, or ribosomal ribonucleic acid. It's a type of non-coding RNA which is the primary component of ribosomes. Next is tRNA, or transphoribonucleic acid. It's an adapter molecule composed of RNA, typically 76 to 90 nucleotides in length. Next is repeat sequence. Repeat sequences are usually DNA sequences that occur more than once in a genome. Inverted repeat. Inverted repeat is a single-stranded sequence of nucleotides followed downstream by its reverse complement. miRNA, or macroRNA. MacroRNA or miRNA are small, single-stranded, non-coding RNA molecules containing 21 to 23 nucleotides. sirNA, or small interfering RNA. siRNA are sometimes known as short interfering RNA or silencing RNA. Is a class of double-stranded RNA at first non-coding RNA molecules, typically to 20 to 24 base pairs in length, similar to miRNA and operating within the RNA interference pathway. Next is origin of replication, also called the replication origin, is a particular sequence in a genome at which replication is initiated. Next is genomics timeline. In 1871, Friedrich Mischer identifies the presence of nuclein known as DNA and associated proteins in the cell nucleus. In 1904, the chromosome theory of heredity by Walter Sutton and Tudor Boveri found that chromosomes exist in matched pairs with one inherited from each parent. In 1905, X and Y sex chromosomes are found by Nettie Stevens that sperm cells can produce X or Y chromosomes. In 1910, discovery of the 5 DNA bases is A, T, C, G, and U by Albrecht Koschel, who received the first Nobel Prize in Psychology of Medicine. In 1950, DNA rather than protein is proven to carry our genetic information in the Hershey-Chase experiment by Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. In 1953, the discovery of DNA's double helix structure by James Watson and Francis Crick. In 1990, there is a Human Genome Project is launched. The project aims to sequence all 3.2 billion letters of a human genome in 15 years. In 1999, chromosome 22 is the first human chromosome to be sequenced as part of the Human Genome Project. In 2003, the Human Genome Project is completed, confirming humans have approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes. In 2009, the first comprehensive analysis of cancer genome is published, including lung cancer and malignant melanoma. In 2020, the sequence of the SARS-CoV-2 virus genome is completed, and the world enters lockdown with the outbreak and eventual pandemic of COVID-19. In 2022, the entirety of the human genome sequence is completed. Various projects have slowly filled the remaining gaps since the first 92% was published in 2003.
And that is all that we have to discuss about new energy solutions and genomics. Thank you everyone for watching and listening.